Hello, today we're going to go over how to use the Activities tab of Pulse. So we'll go to our file first, and then we're going to go over to our Activities section. And this space is a log of everything that's been completed on the file, whether these were tasks that were done, statuses that have been marked complete within the point file, or other activities that are still outstanding within the file. Because they're a task, a call, or an email that has not yet been completed on the file. We also track the conversation entries in this space, so whether you're entering it here through our Take Notes field or through Point in the conversation log, you'll have those marked out here within our Notes subsection. Tasks, statuses, and any item or activity that has been created in Pulse and marked as important also have their own breakouts. That way you can sort things appropriately and find what items still need to be done and what are important to you. Anytime you create a new task, as long as you're the one that is assigned to the point file or Pulse file, you should be able to see all these activities. So if we create a new task, set that out for a date, mark it as important, and save. So now we have an important activity that will show up here under the important. It's also still scheduled because it has not yet been completed. So this space is here for you to also track things that are outstanding as well as things that have been completed.